first, let's code in the protective energies of the black obsidian crystal. We are going to just shield our energy because we are going to clear it of all spirits and entities. It's important to do. Mukoi, tusumuno kaparakiano tiatum, tis iya kai ilneatium vukitis umbrukiatia, kumbo kombo mukwis umuniatiandari tiangokti, kumbo kaikia, kumbo ekiando tuis undutia toi toi toi. Kia kia, rukutum tus ianianiati, arkumunu ikiamukiati. Arika aniki amumuko e komburuko munuko shumumoke atete. Shianeke amburukush umumo e kingera komburukom narikishiania kangurutush umuria tui tui tui. Okay. Now I'm going to call in and consent to our ascension team, our ascension angels. Thank you, I love you. Consenting to you, helping me clear my energy and the energy of anyone wishing to receive this. Kus nia kiati koetus umui kumbeti amba koetum mi kiatus umui kambo koetui kiana kar kusumo kumotu mua kumo nia kia kumokomo nia kino korukumbano ti kiana kumoko Thank you, archangels, helping these spirits and entities be removed now and ascending them to the ascension temples. I love you and thank you. Kiate, orko monoiki tiachu, kumo kukuru kumunuko yetiando tiauko kangareko, tiatish inunuko tush umumuko yetiando tuiki, kiatete, shimumuko roko tui tui tui. If you still feel like your energy is being interfered with, it will feel like a tapping on your energy field. It's just a spirit trying to get your attention. You might even feel their emotion. So if you have a sudden burst of tears, this could be a spirit communicating to you. Pay attention to it, write it down, and ask it to leave. All they want is to be able to deliver their message. There's one more important feeling you will feel if you have a spirit that is attached to you. It's almost a sudden drain in your energy. You'll feel sleepy. So if you get a sudden tiredness out of nowhere, it could be that you have a guide, a spirit trying to make you aware of something. So pay attention. You can have a spiritual bath and cleanse your energy, or burn some sage or Pele Santo. They mean you no harm. Just keep calm and just set your firm boundaries. They will respect you. Thank you. I love you.